In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to generate series of numbers using Google Sheets. This video is a response to one YouTube user's request about generating series of numbers. In our earlier videos, we have generated different sequences where its sequence number is a combination of some fixed hard-coded string, for example, buy or sell, then follows some number. In this video, we are going to generate series of numbers. So as an example, first number starting with A00 to A09. Once it reaches to A09, we increment the series number and we start the next number with B00. Same way this will continue up to B09. Then we'll start next number with C00 up to C09. So in this way we want series of numbers. So in this video we are going to implement this. So let's get started. Now first we need to understand the logic that we need to implement. So first we generate sequence of numbers using this sequence function. So we generate around 260 different numbers starting from 0 to 259. Then we are going to use that number in order to find out what will be the series alphabet and what will be the number in that series. So for example, if we consider the first series is A, so it will have number 0 to 9. The second series is B, so it will have number 0 to 9. So to solve this, we need to find out two things. One is what will be the number in series. So that will get repeated in each series. So for example, we'll have number 0 to 9 in series A. Same number 0 to 9 we will also have in series B up to series Z. The second thing is we need to generate alphabet for series. So that we find out by finding out the series number. So we are going to use two functions. One is the division and another is the remainder operator or modulus operator. So whatever is a sequence number, we perform remainder operation with division 10. So there is one function called modulus. So that is going to give us the remainder of the operation. So if you want number from 0 to 9, we have to divide that number by 10 and we use modulus operator. So we use modulus operator and that takes number as C2 and division will be done with value 10 because we want number 0 to 9 in each series. So that will give us the number in 0 to 9. So for example, if we have number say 10, if we divide that number by 10, the remainder will be 0. Same way if we have number say 20, we divide it by 10, the remainder will be 0. So this is what we are going to use in generating number in series. Now the second thing is we are going to generate series number. So that is actually we can consider it as a one bag in which we'll have numbers 0 to 9. So that we do by dividing this sequence number with the value 10. So that is going to give us the result of the division as a fractional number. So if we divide 0 by 10, it will be 0. If we divide 1 by 10, it will be 0 point something. Out of that floating point result, we are going to use only integer part. So that we do in series number. So we divide this value C2, that is our sequence number, by 10 and we take only integer part. So basically we'll get for first 10 numbers, we'll get series number as 0. For next 10 numbers, we'll get series number as 1 and so on. And last we'll have series number as 25. Now the next thing is to generate series alphabet. So for first series number, we should have alphabet as A. Then second series number is 1, so it should have alphabet of B. So to generate that, we use one function called char. So char function will return us any number into alphabet. For alphabet A, the number or it's called as the ASCII value is 65. So we add that number, whatever series number is there, into that fixed value 65, which is the character code for character A, and in that way we are going to generate that series alphabet for each series number. So for series number 0, alphabet is A. For series number 1, alphabet would be B. For series number 25, alphabet would be Z. Once that is done, we are going to generate full number. So it's pretty simple. We use this function called text to convert any number into desired number of digits. So we take that value T2, which is number in series, and we generate it in a 2 digits using comma 00. So that's going to give us number as 0001 up to 09. And whatever is our series alphabet, which is this F2, we use it, we append this dash sign, and then we use a number in the desired format, that is number with 2 digits. So once we do this, we'll get full number with alphabet and sequence number. So in this way, we can have the series alphabet dynamically instead of a fixed value. So in this example, we have taken 0 to 9, but if you wish that we want to have number from 00 to 99, so we need to perform these operations, that is modulus operator with value 100, same way for division operation with value 100, and we can generate that full number in series with along with alphabet and the number 00 to 99. So we can generate number of combinations using alphabet. Hope this video helped you in solving such problem. So let me know in the comment section how this video helped you in addressing your problem. Thanks for watching and happy learning.